Pansy?
What did you call me? Oh, that's my name.
My eyes, I can't see!
Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
Alright, now, Pansy, since we're kinda trying to find out who we... If you knock off my fucking hat one more time, I swear to God. Okay. Wanna go? Bitch, you wanna go? You wanna go? Okay. Give me my hat. I still can't see. Alright. See, we're trying to find a look that's best for us. So,
We're so unoriginal.
so, we're gonna be gay wannabes, okay?
Okay, we're gonna find out what band these songs. Okay, we're gonna find a band. We're gonna take their lyrics and we're gonna change them up like one word, and then we're gonna be like, "This is ours."
Look at, I'm so cool. Look at my hat.
Thug life.
I'm so
Brutal.
Look at thug
Life.
Anyway, Pansy, I love you. I said not to knock off my hat, okay? Anyway. Can't even see my face. Okay. So, let's make it happen. This is too awkward. See, I'm
I
not-
gave you that hat. That
Did?
is my hat.
You did?
It's my hat. I wore it with the hat. Get out of my way! Get out of the
My hat! It's gone! No! My hat! It's gone! It's gone!